How to reduce video quality in Reddit. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no way for you to change or reduce the video quality within the Reddit app itself, but luckily there is an easy workaround that we can use which will give us the same effect. The process is very easy and simple, and it goes like this. Go ahead and open up your settings, search for data saver, navigate there. So once you're here, the first thing that you need to do is you need to turn on this data saver, and you will see the second option that says allow to use data while data saver is on, and this is like the option that will allow you to allow some apps to use the data, which we don't want because it will like turn off the data saver effect. So what you need to do right here is you need to scroll down to Reddit and make sure that the toggle next to it is turned off. And by doing that, you will make sure that the data saver will be applied to Reddit, and it will reduce the video quality automatically, and it will not allow Reddit to use as much data. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so right now. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can reduce the data usage or reduce the video quality on Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.